Hello and welcome to Ukey Hooky. My name's Brian. Welcome back to video 2 of how to change chords much quicker. So one of the things that will help you to change chords much quicker is to be able to do it without looking. When people are learning the ukulele, quite often they're sitting with a song sheet and it might be on a table, it might be on the wall or wherever it is, and when you're learning a chord and learning the song, you're looking at the sheet and you're looking to see where to change chords, but then you're looking also at your ukulele to see that you're able to change the chord. So your attention is drawn back and forward between the 2 points. So if you were able to change a chord without looking at this, then you'll be able to change it quicker because your focus is only in one point. So now pick 2 chords, a simple one, say like C, and then pick the chord that you've been working on the first video. So I'm going to do C and G. Again, this exercise you do not need to strum, so you don't need your strumming hand. So you can just hold that there, just to steady the ukulele. All you're going to do is work with this hand and changing chords. So go from C to G, or whatever chord you've been working on, C to G. Just keep doing that again and again. If you've done the first exercise, you should be fairly familiar with that chord now that you were having difficulty with. Keep doing that and then close your eyes or turn your head away. And you should be able to feel that chord position. Again, you're starting to develop the muscle memory, just so your fingers knows where the positions are and they know the chord shape. So keep doing that back and forth and look away, bring it back again, okay? That's all you need to do in this exercise. If you feel like it, try another chord, say F to G, or one that you can do fairly easy, and then go to your tricky chord. So that's all you're doing. You're going C to G, C to G, C to G, or whatever 2 chords you have chosen, okay? And you're looking away. That's basically it for this exercise. You just keep doing that back and forward. Again, if your hand gets a wee bit sore, your fingers, just stop and shake out your hand. Just take a wee break from it to compose yourself and go back to the exercise. So hope you found that useful. Once you've done the 2 exercises, then go on to video 3 on how to change chords much quicker. This is Brian from Ukey Hooky. I'll see you later.